Our huge indoor showroom brings you name brands galore, and we're easy to find, right on the Thames River, minutes from Foxwoods and Mohegan Sun. Come see us at 14 Falls Avenue in Norwich. You'll understand why we're a renowned #1 resource for Ranger, Evinrude, Triton, Lund, Nitro, Tracker, Bayliner, and Mercury.
Need repairs or diagnostics? Our service department is one of the most trusted in the region. We've been a skilled VRP Evinrude Platinum Service Center for 7 years running. And our factory certified technicians are on duty during all business hours. Canvas, vinyl,